Hello everyone! How's everybody doing? So today I have another Louis Vuitton unboxing, and I got this after the price increase, and the increase on this particular piece is actually not that bad. So I've been trying to source this out for weeks, and oh my gosh, I don't even know why these particular pieces are really hard to find. So anyway, I picked up three items a few days ago, and actually, oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Really, in person, it was so beautiful, and I really wanted to complete all this to be added in my collection. But anyway, I've actually taken all of these out in their boxes, and one of the items was put right here on a dust bag. And let me show you the first item. This is, oh my gosh, it is another Bandeau. I don't know, for some reason I'm drawn into collecting Bandeaus lately. They are beautiful, they are gorgeous, and I really love the soft 100% silk. They are really soft, and I really love it. And it does feel like it has this beautiful nice sheen to it. It does seem to feel and look like it is made up of a high quality material, a high quality silk. So anyway, this is the first item right here. It is actually called the Skyline Story Bandeau. Right here, let me just show you. Right there. So that is the pattern. And on the other side has this beautiful monogram pattern right here in multicolor. Right here, this is the product code if you guys are interested. It's M77316 right there. And this one is in color brown. So this is the monogram pattern on this side. And on the other side, it actually features the Louis Vuitton iconic handbags. So let me show you each of those handbags right here that was being featured. Oh my gosh, let's see if I could remember all the names of this. We have the multi-pochette accessoire right here. I think this was released in 2019. I know, I remember I got one of these. I pre-ordered this MPA when it was released in 2019, if I'm not mistaken. Next we have right here, it is the Alma right here. I'm not sure if this is the Alma PM or it is the MM or a BB, but it is an Alma bag. Next we have, this is, I think this is a vanity purse right here. And next we have a papillon bag. I love this papillon, guys. I mean, this is also one of my all-time favorite purses from Louis Vuitton. I believe that they are gonna come back very soon. I've actually seen a post on Instagram that they are gonna come back with this beautiful pop of colors for spring and summer. But I love the classic papillon. Next we have, okay, this one is actually the Bois Chapeau. This one is actually inspired with the hat box, the Bois Chapeau. Okay, the Bois Chapeau supply. And then, okay, on the other side, we have, okay, what is this right here? So we have, I believe this is a Palm Springs bag. This is actually very popular. I mean, everybody wants the Palm Springs backpack right there, and they are hard to find, definitely. And next we have right here. I think this is the petite malle in the softer version. I'm just not 100% sure, but oh my gosh, I actually put myself in a position where I'm trying to guess the name of the purse, but yes, anyway, I'll try my best. This is actually a petite malle in the softer side. And then we also have right here the Dauphine. Very nice. This one is in reverse monogram right there. The Dauphine one, I love it. I love reverse monogram. And next, yes, we have the Petite Malle right here. So the other one is actually a Petite Malle as well, but it's made up of soft material. And then we have the last but not the least, we have the Neverfull. And what I love about this Bandeau, it's actually, look at the background right there with this beautiful Eiffel Tower. Oh my gosh, that's what makes this Bandeau so special and attractive to me. That's because of that, nothing else, really. So everything has the background, everything right there. So if you're curious, if you wanted to add this in your collection, this is actually beautiful. And also this beautiful, lovely multicolor pattern right there. Totally love it. This is actually 47.2 inches long. This one is very long, guys. This is the regular size Bandeau. I know there is a regular size and there's also the petite one, the BB size as well. Okay, so this is the first Bandeau that I've got. Moving on to the next one, I got another Bandeau. They are the same, the Skyline Story Bandeau, and this one is in the color pink, the light pink right there, some purple, all the multicolors. Oh, look at that, the iconic handbags right there. Actually, the pattern is just the same. So I'm just gonna show it to you guys quickly. It is the same. But I like this one better. I know the other one actually shows the actual color of the purse, but this one is actually cute. Love the color. And on the other side as well, right there. Yeah, it is. It is the Petite Malle, the soft ones. Right there. Oh, the Eiffel Tower, my favorite. And on the back, this one has the multicolor monogram pattern. This is my favorite. Look at those beautiful pop of colors right there. It is amazing. So cute. This is what sold me on this beautiful piece right here. Right there. And the product code for this is the M77318. Right there. This one has a price increase though. I think this one used to be $210 US and now it is $220. It is actually not bad at all for the price increase. It just increased $10 US. So it's when you come to think of it, it's not much compared to the other items that has increased tremendously. So moving on to the next item, another Bandeau. It is the Skyline as well, but in a different color. This one is in color blue. This is the product code M77317. Right here, I'm just going to show you a little bit of how this blue color looks. Right there. Very nice. Oh, wow. Beautiful. The blue is so vibrant. Wow. And on the other side, right there. Very lovely. Yeah, they're all my favorite. That's why I bought them. I was trying to get 2 of each of these to match it when I wrap it in my purse, but I think it is impossible for me to find the other pair. I guess I was trying to source out some. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll be able to find out later on if that ordered, what I meant is ordered, will gets fulfilled very soon. But I really wanted to get a pair. I always try to get a pair on my Bandeau to, if ever I want to use it in both of my handles for my purses. I tried, because this is the only what I used it for, actually, for my purse. So yeah, I was just hoping, and they are really hard to get hands on with. I tried to go to the website. I didn't even have it locked at all, trying to purchase it in the website. So I went to the store, we placed an order. The other one is actually available. The other one I needed to pick it up. So yeah, but yeah, regardless, they are gorgeous, guys. That one right there. They are beautiful. They are absolutely beautiful right there. Totally love it. So yeah, I couldn't even pick in any of these. They're all gorgeous, but I think this one is so pretty because there is a lot of colors in it. Wow, this one's actually cute. Look at the orange right there, the purple, and the pink color on this side. I think this one is pretty. This one is my favorite among all of those. But this one shows a lot more of, if you wanted to look at these handbags right there, it actually features the exact color of the handbag itself. So that's just the difference. I also like the brown as well, but regardless, they're all pretty. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.